Welcome to our 7-day trip to the East Coast. We're starting on top of Mount Washington in New Hampshire, and we have Dennis over there. We took a little train up the mountain, which is kind of cool because it goes sideways up the mountain, and it's called the Cog Railway. Mount Washington is famous because the fastest wind ever recorded was recorded right on top of this mountain. We're about to take the train up to Mount Washington.
Okay, we made it up this thing called Mount Washington.
We took a really cool train up the mountain.
45 minutes climb.
45-minute climb. It's called the Cog Railway.
And yeah, been around 150 years. Second greatest show on earth.
According to some guy.
Yeah, there you go. We got back down from the mountain and about to have lunch, which I'm very excited about because we're at a place that's claiming to be the best grilled cheese in New Hampshire, and I love a good grilled cheese sandwich, so looking forward to this. We just finished our lunch and we went to a place called Cheese Louise and we got some lobster grilled cheese sandwiches, and oh my god, those are good sandwiches, right Dennis? Excellent.
Excellent sandwiches. And now we're headed to REI because we need to pick up some bear spray for our backpacking tomorrow.
And to spray bears.
And just I mean, only if we have to. We landed in Boston last night. Last day. Yes, yesterday. Yesterday is the last day. Okay. Okay, you're like, oh my god, who am I married to? Okay, so we landed in Boston yesterday and we drove up north to New Hampshire. And we're staying in a small town called Intervale. This is where our Appalachian Trail journey is going to begin. But right now, I think we're in a town called Conway or something rather, right? Is it Conway? Conway. Yeah, and that's where we went for food. So far, the food here is absolutely fantastic. We just randomly walked into a place yesterday for dinner, and the food was amazing. It was a place called Tino's in Hamptons. And so today we went to this cheese place and it was great as well. Operation Bear Spray was a success. We're back at the lodge where we're staying. I'm just going for a little walk to explore the area. The lodge is kind of nice. This is what the lodge looks like. It's like little cabins right there. And the main building is right in front of me. So now it's behind me. It's kind of nice. There's a swimming pool there, so I wanted to check that out. I found a little gazebo here on the property and just exploring the area and chilling a little bit. It's really nice here. Like all the towns we've been to here in New Hampshire are really nice, and the lodge where we're staying, all the food we've had so far is so good. The Cog Rail this morning was really nice. I'm really impressed so far, honestly. Like I don't know what I've expected, but it's really nice and chill, and just like the architecture, oh my gosh, I love the architecture here. Just normal houses where people live look so cool and historic. Like you can't find something like this on the West Coast. I mean, you can, but you have to look for it. Yeah, I've really been enjoying myself here so far. Tomorrow we're heading out to backpack through a little chunk of the Appalachian Trail. I hope I pronounced it right. I'm used to saying it as Appalachian Trail, but apparently that's not correct. So I'm trying to correct myself, still not sure how to pronounce it though. Anyways, yeah, so tomorrow we are heading out to spend 3 days on the Appalachian Trail, and we'll be staying at a hut for 2 nights and heading out tomorrow morning. I think I'm going to wrap this vlog up right here. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now. Cheers.